Hello everyone, Hamel here, walking through my current position on RealPage RP. Again, just a disclaimer, please do your own due diligence. I'm just working through my trades and just making notes and recording videos on what I'm thinking and what my next moves are. I entered this stock back on June 16th. Now, I will never take this entry again. This was 166 days ago. I am not really sure what I was thinking. Yeah, it was hitting all-time highs, but that was not really a proper entry in my opinion. So let's look fast forward to today, and then so I'm pretty much flat on here. I have a sell limit at 77.25. If it hits, it will result in 15% profits. I will continue to manage my position based on how it works. So currently it just started trending up, and then it's still not even in an uptrend because the price is above the 50, but 50 is not above the 150 and 200. So that's what I normally look at. Let's look at a monthly chart though. So I want to make sure I look at different time frames. So this has been resistance for last several years. So this has been consolidating. So if it breaks through, I should see my price limit hit. Looking at the weekly chart, but monthly chart shows more justice on the resistance levels there. Okay, let's look at some overall picture here. So a couple good funds, a couple solid funds from IBD tracking funds own this. Sponsorship is all over the place. Relative strength is just ticking up now. Here, there we go. Going in the upward direction. It is a curve formation on a weekly chart. Looking at some fundamental story here. So 7 earnings stability is really good. Anything under 10 is good. 33% growth over last 5 years. So growth is slowing down significantly. This year is 9%. Next year is 13%. 2022 is also in the same ballpark. Good sales growth, good revenue growth, and good earnings growth year over year. Good cash flow as well. Now, when we look for 2022, again, we can see it's slowing down, both the earnings and the rev growth. So that is definitely a concern because, again, it is not really aggressive growth story like it used to be at some point. Looking at what the company does, so it helps like the rental part of the business, I guess. So it helps with property management, sales and marketing. So it's a digitalization of rental space. So just a little information to know what they do. Analyst targets, again, nothing to write home about. So average upside of 7%, a high upside of 13%. Not much downside here. We already talked about the earnings. They are going to continue to grow, although the growth is going to decelerate, and the same thing with revenue. So that is how I am working through this position in RealPage. So I will post another update as I work through this, and as it gets closer to 77.25, or if something else happens, then I plan on taking other actions. I hope such analysis helps you. Take care.